Nobody starts piano because they want sheet music. They start because they want to play something that sounds beautifully. I think the problem is that sheet music is often presented as the only path. So just to be transparent with you, I want to show you exactly what we will be working on. I can instantly create new melodies. In just a matter of weeks, you will master the color block method to play beautiful cinematic music without needing a single sheet of paper. You will be able to sit down, use the piano as your true emotional outlet, and finally have the freedom to play directly from your imagination and even compose your own work. Here's Mike, who plays the color blocks on autopilot after I gave him the roadmap to piano freedom. And because I hear every melody instantly, I can provide immediate feedback that triggers instant inspiration. Look at Riley, now he is playing in restaurants using my yellow block. Here's Christian, who tells me that this is the method he was looking for. It's exactly what he needed. Why do I get those amazing results? Because I will protect you from this. Everybody starts excited, but the reality is that motivation drops after a while. So I currently have 10 spots open to work with me to reach piano freedom. And if you're curious, there's a link to apply in the description. First come, first serve. What I've noticed is when I talk to people is that many people quit music lessons early in their life and later they regret it. They say like, what if I never quit? Then I would be able to play pop songs and movie soundtracks for my family and friends. They never found a way to play from their own musical imagination. Their teachers didn't teach that, and then you carry that pain for the rest of your life. Nobody starts piano because they want sheet music. They start because they want to play something that sounds beautifully. I think the problem is that sheet music is often presented as the only path. It's like going to a piano teacher in town and then they give you sheet music, but then it takes forever before you're emotionally rewarded. This turns the piano into one big academic task rather than the emotional outlet or therapy it was meant to be. So the conclusion is that now I can feel completely free improvising on the piano, improvising emotionally on the piano, like on the fly, like without feeling inspired. I just use a system, and I can use that system to play in Michelin restaurants for 4 hours using my color blocks. And I can just sit and play whatever I hear on the radio, from a movie, or even from memory. I can instantly create new melodies. I can instantly come up with beautiful chord progressions. And I can instantly play existing songs from chords, or I can compose my own work. So this is the exact 5 steps I took towards achieving piano freedom. This is our tracking system, and you will be able to apply the one source rule to this, which essentially means that everything else is a distraction. So I currently have 10 spots open to work with me one-on-one to reach piano freedom. If you're curious, there's a link to apply in the description. First come, first serve. Thanks for watching this video. Give a thumbs up if you enjoyed the content, and book a call to see how I can help you implement this system and start playing freely within weeks.